Hello everyone. So this is the overview for today. There is a tornado watch in effect stretching from southern Arkansas to central Louisiana, all the way to southeastern Texas. I'm gonna go to the SPC right here, Storm Prediction Center. So there's an enhanced risk for today, for Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana, and possibly Alabama. And if we go to the outlook here for today, we can see our hail risk is not that high, our wind risk is way higher, and tornado risk, it explains why there is a tornado watch in effect. There is a chance for stronger than EF2 tornadoes here. Switching from Mississippi all the way to Louisiana as well. And if we go to the watch list page here, you can see there's probably also going to be mesoscale discussions in effect. Right, let me see here. Hold on. I could just go on this. Watches. Tornado watch number 61. Tornado watch number 61 is capable of producing a few tornadoes, likely with a couple intense tornadoes possible. Scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour likely. Isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. And if you do look on my thing here, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Yep, there we go. Alright. We don't need that, or that. That, none of this, none of that, none of this, none of that. Right. Oh. Me! What? There's so many stuff. There's so much stuff. Alright. Storm Shield. Winter weather advisory from Minneapolis, Minnesota is in effect. So that's not good. And let me just hold on. I'm dealing with people here. But no, him. Yeah. And okay, wait. I'm supposed to go on the Storm Shield app. There we go. What's that? It's nothing, is it? Probably not. Aha! There we go. Tornado watch for Wind Parish. That's one of the. Right. Is this it? No. Do not show that. Satellite, good, that's correct. Now I just need to add a location. Monroe, Indiana. I mean Monroe, Louisiana. Bro, show the locations. Monroe, LA. There we go. Yep. Added. Wait. Just press that and then press that location. There we go. Monroe, Louisiana. Added.
Welcome back to Court TV Live. I'm Ashley Wilcox.
And I'm Michael Ayala. We're both here today giving you your front row seats.
Alright. Thanks everyone for watching this video of the Tornado Watch overview for Louisiana. I will see you soon. Bye everyone. Wait, what's this? Oh. Bye everyone.